Hi guys, welcome to our lesson on the 4 seasons. So we have 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. And sometimes you'll hear fall be called autumn. One way that you can recognize what season we are in is paying attention to nature. So what the trees look like, what's growing, what the weather is like. Those will all give you hints to what season we are currently in. So the first season I want to talk about is winter. So if you take a look at this tree here, you see that it has no leaves and it's covered in snow. So winter is our coldest season that we have. And you'll see here that it starts to snow. And then we can have activities like building snowmen, going ice skating. And then we'll also need to stay warm since it's so cold. So we can do that by drinking hot cocoa or warm tea. We can sit by the fire. We can wear gloves or mittens and sweaters and beanies to keep our bodies warm as well. Our next season is going to be spring. So those empty bare trees are now starting to have flowers bloom. They'll start as little buds and then they will start to bloom into these little pretty bright flowers. You'll see that we'll start to get grass. We'll start to see little animals like gophers and groundhogs pop up. You'll see little bugs and insects like ladybugs and butterflies. This is also a great season to start to plant. And that is because during springtime, we get a lot of rain. And one of the things that flowers need to grow is lots of water and sunlight, which we will get during springtime. So make sure to dress so that you don't mind getting wet. So maybe make sure to bring an umbrella with you during the spring season. The next season has a lot going on, and that is summer. This is a lot of our favorite seasons. So during summer, you'll see that it is nice and hot. The sun is out all the time. This is our hottest season that we have. And since it's our hottest season, we need to make sure that we're protecting our bodies and our skin. So we can use sunscreen. We can protect our eyes by using sunglasses. We can protect our bodies to keep them nice and cool by wearing hats and shorts, maybe sandals. Those are all things that are going to help keep our bodies cool. Another thing that happens during summertime is that all of the fruit are ready to harvest off of our trees. So we see that our trees are nice and green and full, and they have fruit growing on them. Some of the fruit that you can harvest during summer are peaches or nectarines, pears, and apples. Some of the things that you can do during summertime to stay cool are go to the beach or the pool, eat nice cold fruit like watermelon, or of course, all of our favorite ice cream and different cool drinks. Our last season is fall, and some people call fall autumn as well. You'll see here that we went from having a nice big green tree to having not many leaves at all. So during the fall, the leaves start to change colors. You'll see red, orange, brown, dark green, yellow. Those are some of the colors that our trees turn into. And then as the wind starts to blow, our leaves become pretty brittle and they start to fall off of the trees. Because it is windy during the season, we make sure to wear jackets. During the season, you'll also see animals start to prepare for the winter, which is the season that's going to come after. And they'll do that by collecting acorns and things like that. So I'm going to go and ask you some questions. Which season is the coldest? Which season do flowers begin to bloom? Which season do we harvest fruit like pears? And which season do the leaves start to change colors? Have fun answering those questions.